I read your paper. It contains some exceptional science.
My instinct is that there is another element.
You think you found an undiscovered element?
Science is changing, and the very people who are running science believed the world was flat.
Leave my laboratory.
If my science doesn't speak for itself, then you have gravely misunderstood it. I'm going to prove them wrong. We all thought that atoms were finite and stable. Well, some of them are not. I have called this radioactivity. Our discovery could cure cancer.
Extraordinary. You changed the world. Our work's been nominated for the Nobel Prize. The commendation only mentions my name.
You stole my brilliance. How dare you take their applause?
This is bigger than both of us.
I just wanted to do good science. There are those that say that radium is making them sick.
The question can be raised whether mankind benefits from knowing the secrets of nature.
I have been haunted my entire life trying to understand the impossible. This is my fight, and I will win it.